In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then you can either click on pop-up window between screenshot and multi-window at the bottom, or you can click on the icon of an app available at the top and click on pop-up window over here. Wherever you decided to continue, tap on home button. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold it and drag it. To scale it, use one of its bottom corners, hold it as well and drag it. If you want to go back within an app, click on this arrow at the top left corner. To minimize it, use this line on the right and then access it again by going into background apps. To use your app in full screen view, click on this icon between this line and an X. And to close it completely, click on this X at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!